Did you know that your car could be making you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month without you even driving it? That's right. While most people see their cars as a liability, the smartest ones are turning them into a money-making machine. Imagine getting paid daily while your car works for you. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rent out your car for passive income, avoid the biggest mistakes, and maximize your profits. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the end because I'll reveal a secret strategy that can double your earnings. But before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Section 1. How car rental works. So, how does renting out your car actually work? It's simpler than you think. There are platforms like Turo, Getaround, and HireCar that allow you to list your vehicle and get paid every time someone books it. Think of it like Airbnb, but for cars. People need rental cars for various reasons, traveling, business trips, or even just because their car is in the shop. And instead of going to expensive rental agencies, they prefer renting from private owners like you. Section 2. How much money can you make? Now, let's talk numbers. How much can you actually make? The amount depends on your car type, location, and demand. A standard sedan can earn you $30 to $50 per day. A luxury car, $100 to $300 per day. And if you own a high-demand vehicle like a Tesla, Jeep, or SUV, you could be looking at $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Yes, per month. And remember, this is passive income. You don't need to drive, meet renters, or handle payments. The platform does it all for you. Section 3. How to list your car and get bookings fast. Now, let's go step by step on how to list your car and start making money. Step 1. Choose the right platform. Turo is great for personal rentals, Getaround offers instant booking, and HireCar is best if you want to rent to Uber or Lyft drivers. Step 2. Create a killer listing. High-quality photos and a detailed description will make your car stand out. Highlight features like GPS, sunroof, or fuel efficiency. Step 3. Set competitive pricing. Check other similar cars in your area and price yours slightly lower to get bookings faster. Once you have regular renters, you can increase the price. Step 4. Offer discounts for first-time renters. A small discount for first-time renters will help you build positive reviews, which will boost your bookings. Step 5. Use instant booking. Enabling instant booking will attract more renters since they won't have to wait for your approval. Section 4. Protecting your car from damage or scams. Now, let's talk about the biggest concern. What if someone damages your car? Here's the good news. Platforms like Turo and Getaround offer insurance protection. You can choose different coverage plans that cover everything from minor scratches to total loss. Also, follow these safety tips. Screen your renters, check their reviews and ratings before approving them. Take photos before and after each rental. This will serve as proof if any damage occurs. Use a GPS tracker. If you want extra security, install a GPS tracker to monitor your car's location. Section 5. Maximizing your profits. Want to make even more money? Here are 3 expert tips to maximize your earnings. List multiple cars. The more cars you list, the more you earn. If you don't own multiple cars, consider leasing one and renting it out. Rent during peak seasons, summer, holidays, and weekends have higher demand. Raise your prices during these times. Offer delivery service. Many renters are willing to pay extra for car delivery to airports, hotels, or their homes. Section 6. Secret strategy to double your earnings. And now for the bombshell tip I promised, how to double your income. Instead of just renting to regular customers, list your car on multiple platforms at the same time. For example, you can list on Turo and Getaround to increase bookings. Also, you can rent your car to Uber and Lyft drivers through HireCar, ensuring your car is booked almost every day. More bookings equals more money. So, there you have it. Renting out your car is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income in 2025. Whether you have an extra car or just want to turn your personal vehicle into a money-making asset, this is a golden opportunity. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you rent out your car for extra cash? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making tip. See you in the next one.